Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of PHP frameworks and exploring one that stands out from the crowd, Laravel. We're talking about elegant syntax, developer-friendly tools, and features that make building web applications smooth and efficient. Stick around to discover the top 10 reasons why Laravel might just become your go-to for your next project. First up, we're talking databases, and Laravel's Eloquent ORM is here to make your life easier. Eloquent lets you interact with your database using intuitive, object-oriented syntax. That means cleaner code, faster development, and fewer headaches. Instead of writing complex SQL queries, you're working with elegant PHP objects that directly represent your database tables. Next up, let's talk about views, the front-facing part of your application. Laravel's Blade templating engine is your secret weapon for creating dynamic and reusable views without getting bogged down in complex code. Clean syntax, template inheritance, and components make your front-end code as organized as your backend. Now let's talk about efficiency. Laravel's Artisan CLI is like having a personal assistant for your code. Need to create a new controller, model, or migration? Just type a simple command, and Artisan takes care of the heavy lifting. It's all about automating repetitive tasks, so you can focus on building awesome applications. Security is non-negotiable, and Laravel makes it easy to build secure applications from the ground up. With just one command, you can scaffold a complete authentication system with user registration, login, and more. Laravel's built-in authorization features make it simple to control access based on user roles. Routing, the backbone of any web application, is handled with elegance and flexibility in Laravel. Define clean, readable routes to handle incoming requests and direct them to the right controllers and actions. Middleware acts like a series of checkpoints that requests pass through before reaching their final destination. Database migrations are a game-changer for collaboration and code maintainability. With Laravel, you can version control your database schema, making it easy to track changes and roll back to previous versions. Seeders make it effortless to populate the database with consistent test data. Need to send emails, process images, or handle other time-consuming tasks without slowing down your application? Laravel's queue system has you covered. Offload these tasks to background queues, and your application can continue running smoothly. Your application can continue taking other orders while the queue system works its magic behind the scenes. Building APIs? Laravel makes it a breeze. With powerful routing, request handling, and response formatting tools, you can create RESTful APIs that are both robust and easy to maintain. Laravel Sanctum and Passport provide options for both simple token-based authentication and full-fledged OAuth 2 authentication. Want to add real-time features to your application like chat, notifications, or live updates? Laravel's event broadcasting and WebSocket support make it possible. Broadcast events from your server-side code and seamlessly update your front end in real time. It's all about creating those seamless, real-time interactions that modern web applications are known for. Last but definitely not least, Laravel takes security seriously. From hashed passwords and CSRF protection to SQL injection prevention and XSS protection, Laravel has built-in security features that help protect your application from common vulnerabilities. The framework's architecture, combined with its built-in security measures, promotes a security-first mindset. And there you have it. Those are just 10 of the reasons why Laravel stands out as a powerful, elegant, and developer-friendly PHP framework. From its intuitive ORM and templating engine to its command line tools, security features, and support for real-time applications, Laravel empowers you to build modern, scalable, and maintainable web applications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. See you in the next video.